In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drag and drop activities in Google Slides, a fantastic way to make your presentations more engaging. Whether you're working with students or collaborating with team members, adding interactive elements can make your slides more dynamic. Let's jump right in. Begin by opening a new, blank Google Slides presentation. The first step involves setting up a background image, which is crucial because once you set an image as the background, it becomes fixed in place. This means it can't be accidentally moved or altered by anyone using the slide, ensuring your layout remains intact. To apply a background image, head over to the Slide menu located at the top and click on Change Background. Once you do that, a pop-up window will appear. Select Choose Image, then click Browse. From there, you can pick any image file from your computer that you want to use as your background. Applying an image this way locks it into position, perfect for interactive slides where other users might be clicking or dragging objects. It protects your meticulously designed layout from any unintended changes. With the background set, it's time to insert the items you want users to drag around the slide. Go to the Insert menu at the top, choose Image, and then click on Upload from Computer. This is where you'll select the graphics or images that will act as the draggable elements. These could be used for matching games, categorization exercises, or any activity requiring movement. For this demonstration, I've already uploaded my draggable objects, so I'll skip that part. Once your images are in place, it's important to adjust them for your activity. Click on Format options in the top toolbar, and you'll see a sidebar appear. Find the Size and Rotation section and click the small arrow next to it to expand the options. If you're looking for more control in resizing, uncheck Lock Aspect Ratio. This allows you to adjust the height and width separately, giving you more flexibility to fit your design just right. Once the items are sized to your liking, we need to organize them on the slide. Move the images to one side or wherever makes sense for your design's flow. To keep everything neat, select all the images by clicking and dragging over them, or hold down the Shift key and click them one by one. Next, navigate to the Arrange menu at the top, choose Align, and click Center to align the images centrally on the slide. Then head back to the Arrange menu, select Distribute, and choose Vertically to space them out evenly. This gives your activity a clean, professional look. And that's it. You've now set up a functional drag and drop activity in Google Slides. Use it in lessons, interactive training sessions, or collaborative projects to boost participation and engagement. That concludes today's tutorial. If this guide helped you, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials. We've got lots more great content coming soon, so stay tuned.